My name is Corneille Snyman. I trade binary options for a living and I only trade high probability setups. I like to invite you to come and see how I do it every Wednesday. It will be for 8 hours. I will use my high extreme binary option indicator to find high probability setups, and as I find them, I will alert you guys 3 minutes before it happens. I will also tell you which pair I look at and am I going to take a call or a put. And then 10 seconds before I enter, I alert you again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yes! Or I would say no. After I took the trade, I will share it with you guys and explain again why I did the trade. This is the easiest and the fastest way to learn how to trade binary options in 60 seconds. I also recommend that you first start with a demo account. You can open it at any broker, and just so that you can get experience and confidence. This is a free service only on Wednesdays. Guys, if you want to join me, please send me an email at info@60secondsbinaryoptions.com and just say you want to attend the free sessions live trading on Wednesdays. Guys, you're gonna love it. I will see you in the trading room every Wednesday. Thank you.